Today's Treasury Tech Tongue Twister Texas Style. The future of Treasury, emerging trends, and preparation strategies. There is a moment when your Treasury team realizes that future won't belong to the organizations with most technology. It will belong to those who know how to use it. Data science, artificial intelligence or AI, APIs, distributed ledgers, and automation are reshaping Treasury faster than ever. In Texas terms, it's not the size of the ranch that matters. It's how well you prepare for the next season. Tech-influent treasurers foster fundamental fluency in data science and distributed ledgers, driving dynamic departmental development. Say it once, if it flows smoothly, your future-ready treasury strategy might be doing the same. It's funny because it's real. Preparing your treasury for the future isn't just about adopting emerging technologies, it's about developing the people, skills, and mindset needed to turn innovation into business value. When your treasury embraces continuous learning, modern technology, trusted data, and cross-functional collaboration, your organization becomes more adaptable and resilient. If it ain't broken, don't fix it. But when your capabilities, technology roadmap, or operating model can improve, that's evolution. Better preparation today creates stronger opportunities tomorrow. Simple takeaway I would share with you. Don't just follow trends, build capabilities. Invest in your people, strengthen your technology foundation, and prepare your treasury to lead through change instead of reacting to it. The real challenge isn't predicting which technology will dominate next. It's building an organization that can continually adapt as technology evolves. Treasury teams that invest in digital skills, data literacy, AI readiness, and modern architectures will be better positioned to navigate uncertainty, improve decision making, and create long-term value for the business. Future-ready organizations don't simply respond to change. They expect it, prepare for it, and use it as a competitive advantage. Prepared teams tend to create stronger treasury functions, and stronger treasury functions help build stronger businesses. Future-ready treasury is stronger treasury.